Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Mehak and I love to do eye makeup tutorials. So in this today's video, we are going to learn quick and easy bridal eye makeup. It will take less than 5 minutes for you to do this look. So let's start with the brown eyeshadow. And using a tape as a guide, we will trace the brown eyeshadow along the tape and start blending towards the center of the lid. You just need a small fluffy blending brush to blend the brown eyeshadow. After that, I'm going to take a gold shimmer shade on my finger. You can also wet the brush and use a flat brush to spread the shimmer on your lid, starting from your inner corner towards the brown shade. Once you have packed the golden shimmer, you can just blend these two shades together using a clean, fluffy blending brush. This look is very pretty because we are using two amazing shades, golds and brown, and it really complements each and every bridal dress. So once you have blended brown and gold, all the harsh edges will be softened, and then I'm going to use a matte white eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone. Then I'm going in with the champagne shimmer from the palette and using it in my inner corner and bringing that shimmer shade towards my lower lash line as well. You can use mattes as well, but I like to use shimmer, especially for bridal looks. Then I'm going in with the pink eyeshadow in my lower lash line. It's just to add some little bit color in this look. If you want, you can go with the brown or gold as well. Then I'm using some kohl in my waterline, and then I'm going to use a black eyeliner to trace along my upper lid as well. After using the kohl, I've blended all the shades together in the lower lash line, the pink and black, and I've applied some lashes and some mascara. This is my final look, and if you love my content, then do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.